50 Mercury motors. That is the Verado, which is the supercharged L6 motor. Very, very quiet, smooth, and fuel efficient. Very nice feature on this Scout 420 is the walk-through transom. As you can see, very clean, very easy to get from port or starboard, no matter what side you tie up on. Rod holders in the back, as well as an actual fish bait well. Easy to use walk-through transom. Flip open door, very simple to get into the boat. Leads to the very large and spacious cockpit. We do have the fold down seat that folds up out of your way, as well as the teak beach swim platform on the port side of the boat. Fantastic feature, makes getting in and out of the water very, very simple for your friends and family. Out of the way of the outboards. We do have a nice feature on the back of this Scout with the seating configuration. We have the rear facing fighting chair. We have an ice maker. We also have a hideaway refrigerator drawer. Get everything you're going to need from an entertainment standpoint right here in the back of the boat. Underneath here is the Seakeeper and the very, very clean electrical system. Again, very complex boat, but yet easy to use. We also have the optional slide-out grill. Again, all the entertainment here in the back of the boat. If we move around forward here, we have the optional seating area on this, so we do get the forward 5 facing seats. The front 3 are also heated, so those of us in the north, as it gets a little chilly, much easier to extend that boating season. Full Garmin displays, 3 of them across the dash here. Very simple, easy, lots of options. You can run everything from the lights to the stereo system to the forward facing bow camera. This one, because it's the Mercury Verado setup, does have full joystick options available for docking, autopilot, and skyhook. Of course, we did opt, as you saw down below, for the Seakeeper, and we do have the nice screen topside here. As we keep moving forward into the boat, on the port side, you're going to see the entrance to the spacious cabin. Once we get down below, you'll see that it does have a nice seating dinette area that converts down into a sleeping area. Nice flat screen television with the Bluetooth soundbar as well. Moving towards the galley, you'll see you get a nice sink, microwave, pull-out refrigerator drawer, as well as the 2-burner range cooktop. Lots of storage in this on both port and starboard. As you get back here, you'll also see a full head, very rare on a 42-foot boat. That is a dry head, so the toilet is separate from the shower stall. As we work our way forward to the bow, one of the best seats in the house, the forward facing seats just front of the center of the console. Lots of room up here, flip down armrests, you can lounge out just low enough to be out of the wind as you're running at 55 miles an hour across the bay. As you move forward to the forward seating area, we do have another nice table for entertaining, sitting around, having a drink, having a nice spread of food. This does drop down to sun pad level, includes the pad, or it does go all the way down to the floor. Very unique feature for the Scout, which gives you ample room to move around if you want to make it easier to get in and out. Of course, the 42 is going to be standard with a windlass in the bow as well. So we move down the starboard side of the boat. Now you'll notice the nice high gunnels, fender pros, very simple. Put your fenders in and up for even the novice. And you see a nice storage compartment. Great place for cleaning supplies, boat hooks, lines, the kind of stuff you're going to keep on your boat. Again, one of my favorite features about the Scout is accessibility. One of the easiest boats to get in and out and around on. 2019 Scout 420 LXF, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Give us a phone call, stop on in, and we'll get you out on a demo.